What it takes to develop abs. Abs is one of the most common goals of people who get into bodybuilding. Yet it can seem very elusive for most people, as they can work out for weeks and months without seeming to make any progress. That's because most people go about building abs wrongly. It's not just about doing a lot of push-ups and sit-ups. Yes, ab exercises are important, but on their own they're not going to get you there. Here's how to actually get abs. Selective working out doesn't work. Trying to just work out one area of your body to develop that part's muscles doesn't work. In other words, exclusively doing abdominal exercises won't get you six packs. Why? Because your abs have fat covering them. Even if under all the fat you have ripped abs, people won't be able to see them. Unfortunately, when you're just doing push-ups and sit-ups, that's what you're doing, toning your muscle under the fat, without eliminating the fat. The first step to actually getting six-pack abs is to reduce the amount of fat in your abs. Unfortunately, you can't selectively lose fat. You have to lose fat throughout your entire body for this to work. Removing the fat. Fat burning essentially comes down to doing cardio exercise regularly. Try to exercise at between 70% to 80% of your maximum heart rate for 30 minutes or more 3 or 4 times a week. If you do this, in about a month you'll start to notice your body overall becoming more toned. If you measure your body fat percentage, you'll find the amount of fat in your body lowering and the amount of muscle increasing. As this happens, your abs will naturally become more and more visible. Diet. Of course, in order to burn that fat you'll also need to make changes to your diet. You can't just burn fat and then take the fat back into your body. Eliminate all extraneous fats from your diet. A bit of fat from protein foods or other, healthy fats, is okay, but stay away from anything that's unnaturally fat. That means no deep-fried foods, no fast foods, no meals that are frozen or microwavable. Read the calorie contents and ingredients of packaged foods before you buy. Building stronger abs. The last and final step is to do the exercises that strengthen your abs. You can start the phase at the same time as when you start cardio and start changing your diet, but you'll only see the results from the ab workouts once you do the rest of the steps discussed in this article. There you have it. To build abs, you need to burn off the fat throughout your entire body so there's minimal fat covering your abs. Then you need to change your diet to keep that fat off. Finally, use abdominal exercises to tone up your ab area.